Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening display settings so you can change size precisely. Click the Start menu or press Windows +I, then choose System Display. Once there, note the current resolution and scale percentages. This tells you why items look large or small. Make sure power is connected so the GPU runs consistently, and if you plan to use an external monitor, connect it now so options appear. Now you're ready to pick a new scale or resolution and test changes immediately. Next, change the settings that control physical size. First, pick a resolution. Recommended gives sharpest text. Lower resolutions make everything bigger. Then adjust scale to change UI element size without shifting pixel count. Choose 100% to shrink or 125-150% to enlarge. If text or apps blur, open Advanced Display Settings to set a different refresh rate or enter a custom scaling factor and sign out to apply. Make sure to test several combinations so you understand the trade-off between size. Finish by applying your chosen settings and confirming they look right. Windows usually asks you to keep or revert changes. Choose Keep if satisfied. If the display becomes unreadable, revert within the confirmation timer or reboot into safe mode to reset. If text appears blurry after scaling, enable GPU scaling in the graphics control panel or update your display drivers. That resolves most clarity issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: reconnecting the external monitor or using the native resolution often fixes sizing and sharpness problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.